Hi guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to make a full screen on the phone. So before proceeding, please share, like and subscribe so that you will never miss any update. So now I'm going to show you how to make a full screen on the phone. So to make a full screen, we have to click on setting. Then you can simply search it here so that it will make you more easier, or you can scroll down and click here on display and brightness, and then here also display and brightness you can choose the brightness. You can choose the brightness and lower, and then it depends on you. So here also auto rotate also. So auto rotate, you can, if you want auto rotate, then if you just do like this your phone, then it will rotate. So if you on it, then it won't rotate. So here also the auto screen off also. It depends on how minute and second you want it, your phone will be auto screen off. So you can add 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and 30 minutes and 15 seconds also. So and then for full screen, here is your font and font size and display size. Display size, it show here it show the small, then standard, then large. Here standard, and then large. It will it show the font, the letter, how big the letter you wanted. So and now for the full screen. So full screen, we need to on this full screen display, and then on full screen display we needed to click on any here on the app. Then here it will show, here, as you can see here. So here it will show the here it will show the, the screen. If you off in here, you can see it here. If you off in now, you can see it will be only this side like this, and then if you on in now, you can see it will be full screen, and you will see like this. The full screen will be like this. So to off in, it will only reach only this, and then only half of this like this. So this is it guys, of how to make full screen on the phone. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like it.